Hey Rebirth fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you step by step how I got my Marley twists. Stay tuned. First things first, you're going to need your braiding hair. I have the Jamaican Twist Braid brand here with me in 27, 1B, and 27, and in 613, which looks white in this lighting. As you can see, I already completed more than half of my head. After all, you are only here to see how to do it. I also thought it might be helpful to show you where on my body the twists land once they're stretched out and everything. I'm 5'4" and it lands right above my bum. All right, that's everything. Let's get started. So to begin, I'll give you a closer look. I parted out the front of my hair the way that I wanted it to look. So I give myself options because I'm such an indecisive person. I like to wear my hair on the right side, the left side, middle part, whatever. I wanted to be able to switch it up. So I parted it to be able to do that. And now we're ready to start twisting. So the first thing you're going to do is grab 2 pieces of Marley hair. That's going to give you the medium size that you're looking for. You also want to stretch the hair. That's going to give you the length. Ensure that the ends are lined up and you're going to twist the middle. So I grab the section that I'm ready to start working with, and I just take my baby hairs out and separate them, maybe even just a little bit more of my baby hair. It's just the sensitive part. My whole hairline, my hair, I'm tender-headed, so all of that's super sensitive for me. I grab my Eco Styling gel and I'm going to apply that to the root of my hair. I really like using the Eco Styling gel at the top of my hair. It gives it like a wet, like slippery kind of feel. I know that might be counterintuitive to some people, but for me, I find it really helpful when I start to twist. So you're gonna really want to coat that in. Feel free to put some on your edges to make sure that they lay down. You don't want to twist in your edges or any other loose hairs. So split that section into 2 and you're gonna grab your braiding hair and place that directly into the middle as far to the root as you possibly can. You're gonna twist one side of the braiding hair into your real hair. And then you're going to flip it under and do the same thing on the other side. Twist, twist, twist the braiding hair into your real hair. Okay, she is firm and we are ready to continue to build our twist. So as you can see, I'm twisting my real hair into the braiding hair. That does not stop. That continues for the entirety of the twist. It's really important that you do this or else you're gonna get really poofy, really bulky twists. In order to get my real hair to lay flat, I'm using some beeswax. You can honestly use whatever gel you feel like, whatever works best for your hair. I really like beeswax. It's good, it's nice, it's moisturizing, conditioning, it does its thing. So as you can see, I'm twisting and wrapping, twisting and wrapping. This method is going to give you that defined twist that I know that you're looking for. You'll know that you're doing it correctly when there's no tension at your root. So you don't want the entire twist to move, just the strands. I also grab my paddle brush and I brush out the ends of the braiding hair so that it gives it more of a natural finish. You don't want it to be just like this block. Yeah, like no, bricky is not cute. Like you want it to look like, I don't know, like Grinch fingers. A weird comparison, but it's true. Like you want it to have a natural finish. That's what I'm trying to say. You want it to look natural on the ends. So once again, I'm going to split that section of hair into 2, and then I'm going to place the braiding hair in the middle, and then I'm going to take one side and twist my real hair into the braiding hair. When that side's nice and tight, I'm going to flip it over and do the same exact thing on the other side. You'll end up with what looks like a U. And then you're gonna go about twisting your hair. However, in order to get it to look as defined as it does here, you need to continue with that twisting method. So you have to continue to twist the braiding hair as you lap it over on top of one another. Now interrupt this programming with a video of my annoying hubby to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to push the notification bell so you know whenever I post. And if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Okay, and back to business. So as you can see here, I'm just finishing up the rest of that twist that I was doing before. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comment box below. And I'll be sure to include all the products that I used, including how many packs I used, in the description box below. Finally, the end is approaching. I have 2 more. And just like that, I'm done. Well, almost done. I still have to dip my hair in some hot water. If you're doing this by yourself like I am, be careful. Remember, it's really hot. Grab your towel, take your time, and ease in and out of it. Also, make sure you do this with a container that you don't really care about, because it will leave an oily residue inside of the container that you're using. And we're all done, Rebirth fam. Go ahead and flip those twists, put them up, do whatever you feel. Pat yourself on the back because you did it. You just finished your hair all by yourself. Hey Rebirth fam, thank you for tuning in. I hope that this was super helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Get out. Get out and put down my wig. Put down my wig. Take 2. Okay. This color is really cute on you. Do a little hair flip. Bless you, sweetheart. I'll catch you in the next video.